Hello there stitchy friends. Today I want to show you my new sewing pattern for the double quick device covers. They're really hard to display these, they keep falling over. It's a super quick, handy project, ideal for gifting or for sew to sell. It's beginner friendly, suitable for any age, any gender and virtually any fabric. And there's minimal hardware, just one magnetic snap. And as with all my patterns, they're suitable to be made on a domestic sewing machine. So I'll quickly run through what they are, what they do, what you get included in the download and the extra bonus items that are included. And then at the end I'll share a few of the tester photographs. So firstly, what are they and what do they do? Well, these double quick device covers are a beginner friendly quick project that can be made in any size that you want to protect all your devices. Make them from your iPad, your laptop, Kindle or even for cash and passports. The project is suitable for domestic machines and a wide range of fabrics, right from quilt cottons up to cork and vinyls. And it's also a great way to use up some of your scraps. They're fastened simply with one magnetic snap and they're so quick and easy, which makes them ideal for gifts or economical sew to sell. Make them in your own fabric combinations, anything you wish. Use a different fabric for the back to get a contrast flat, or easily make different sizes tailored to your own uses. They're fully lined and we turn the item through so there's no visible seam allowances and there's no binding. Although, if you do happen to be a binding fan, I do include an option at the end of the video to show you how to do that too. So make a large one for your laptop or even for your printed patterns. A medium-sized one for your iPad or tablet, small for an e-reader or mini for passports and money. And if you already own the tip-top tote pattern, they follow the same shape as the outside pocket of that, so they can make a really nice matching accessory for it. Personalise them with embroideries or badges or use a printed panel. Double quick device covers are handy covers for all your devices. They protect your devices from dust and scratches and can be made in any size to suit your own personal needs. So next, what's included in the download? The download includes a full written document, I heard you, a comprehensive video tutorial. It's supplied with printable pattern pieces to create a standard iPad or tablet cover just to get you started. Plus pattern piece measurements for both a generic Kindle cover and a passport and cash wallet. You also receive easy instructions to make bespoke sizes for your own laptop and any of your own devices, be they large or small. The written instructions are for a turn-through method. Plus, there's an alternative method in the video on how to bind your project and add bulkier paddings if you wish. How I ended up developing this pattern? Well, my initial idea was to make this as a laptop cover pattern that fitted nicely into the tip-top tote, but I realised very quickly that the width and height dimensions of laptops vary so wildly that it's really difficult to make a one-size-fits-all pattern for this. So, thinking cap on and knowing you like paper pattern pieces, I thought I would demonstrate and give paper pattern pieces for a general, generic iPad tablet case size, and then easy instructions to size for your own laptop or other devices. And I've even included a worksheet to make it as easy as possible for you to calculate the sizes. Just add your own measurements. But of course it's not just laptops, this also works for Kindles, books, Bibles, documents, hygiene products, cash, virtually anything you want. The paper pattern supplied fits most standard iPads and tablets, even with a slim case, up to a device size of 26 by 18.5 centimetres, and that is 10.25 by 7.25 inches. Obviously, do check your own iPad or tablet dimensions before you cut out, and it's easy to adjust if you need to. So what bonus items are included? Well, on top of the paper pattern for the tablet case, I also give pattern piece cutting measurements for 2 more sizes, both a generic e-reader cover and a passport and cash wallet. So in total you have 3 sizes included before you even begin to make your own custom sizes. And here's another added bonus with the pattern. If you do want to add more protection with a thicker fleece or foam, I also give you directions at the end of the video on how to bind the project rather than turning it through as per the main instructions. It's really easy to do, and you can add a lovely contrast edge to the cover. And of course, we have no qualms anymore about binding, do we? You all love it now, you embraced it so much in the arch pouch. So I know it'll be a piece of cake. Time to share a few tester photographs. A big thank you to all my testers as usual. Take a look at just a few of their super duper creations. They came up with all sorts of combinations and uses for these. The double quick device covers pattern includes full written and video instructions, printable pattern pieces, and measurements for an iPad or tablet cover, measurements for 2 further generic sizes, an e-reader case and a cash wallet, plus easy directions to make a cover to fit your own laptop or any of your other devices, whatever their size. Plus an additional alternative construction method if you wish to bind the project. And of course it sits beautifully with a tip-top toe if you fancy making a set. As usual, just head on over to my website to purchase the pattern, or you can find the link in the text below. The PDF is delivered by instant download, so no waiting around for anything. Don't forget to subscribe here to my YouTube channel to watch my numerous free projects and how-to tutorials. All the links to my social platforms can be found in my bio. I really hope you love the look of the double quick device covers pattern. What are you waiting for? Go sew!